following an issue raised by the Seng Samla Hima Langrin on misappropriation and misuse of funds by the Executive Dorbar under the Syiem of Hima Langrin, Nangtei as Syiemiong. The Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on 18th July 2023 had directed the Syiem to submit within 7 days an account of all assets, liabilities and monetary possession of Hima Langrin. Clarifying on the issue, the Deputy Chief Executive Member of the Khadc, PN Syiem, informed that after meeting with members of the Seng Samla Hima Langrin, the Council had taken a decision that withdrawal of any cash amount above Rs 25,000 by the Dorbar of Hima Langrin has to be approved by the Executive Council of the Khadc.
File a complaint. Persayos paim Nangtei haka santrik yung liu July. Kabagi la penpaubun ki daw. Away galong gajade berkatuka management committee board. Kabala tau. Pedang kurs Syiemiong kakpo yung Nangtei bad ka Hima Langrin. Ban penyai ia katuka hendeu langam tila bata bidang tangli ki pun ki hajar jong kahima kim sultanat baya kahima baro kawai la penyai jaga niga management board akaba urang bakur jong ka po jong ka kursi Syiemiong po jong Nangtei ulang ucan Iti penpau baga komnu kat ia ke management board ban penyai dau we urang ba naka pur bahaba po yung Nangtei sini kebaru dia akan sepang compensation kebaya debat kaniga kam surok da kelas itu bagi muhun ya ka jeng penlut ya kan ka compensation dino daw nagalang jumni namar bagade ga kabaya de baga kampis hating ka nila pemi ya ka order ka jumni menin gasni banong ba kanu ka jeng penlut nagalang jung ka Hima absan hajar saneng don kam ya ka approval namne nang bagin sutu e gitaw na marba ka bakom kaniya ka bangin haban proceed ahead ya ka dika complete badaga juga por nang hap island yung pa inang teru baun jubab ya kini gi charges balada ngiri ban haban khot hiring ki hap khot nang bagin yo ya ka nongrim yung kakam semua bagin simya kanu